Don't overthink it. It is totally worth it. The program, it walks you step by step. All you have to do is follow the path and commit. It's going to be hard work. It's going to be tough sometimes, but you have a community behind you that will support you even when you want to give up, even when you want to throw in the towel. And having that support alone has made all the difference for me. I've always really enjoyed processes. I like just trying to build new ones, trying to be more efficient. And in my past job, I felt like I was at a standstill. There was no more growing. I was at a cap with over, 10 years of sales support experience. I couldn't do anything more within the organization I was in. So when I learned about Salesforce, I thought this is it. This is something that I can use to help enhance any sales team in any organization, really. That's really what helped me, or that's why I made the decision. Because I wanted to learn a new tool and be able to help a business, you know. Because I didn't feel like my opinion wasn't very valued at the past job. And now being in a Salesforce role, it is black and white. It is completely different. You are so much more valued. It's it's amazing. My hesitations were I wasn't ready. I thought maybe this is not the right time. Maybe at a later time it'll be better. But I realized that there's never a right time. So I just went with it. I took a leap of faith into the program and just ran with it. But I knew signing up that it was going to be a commitment to myself, a commitment to finish the program and to dedicate my time to the program. I decided to believe in myself and dedicate myself to the investment, one, um, and to really fully focus. That was really what helped me decide, and also support from a few talent stacker members that had done the same thing. And when you're making that decision, it's really scary. But just having the support from other members saying, hey, if you plan it out, you can make it happen, you can make it work, and it's going to be beneficial in the long run. For me, it was breaking through or walking with the uncomfortable, being uncomfortable and, working through it. Starting the program, I had to get out of my comfort zone to randomly email different members to see if they wanted to join a study group. My time, my energy, I was working full time when I started the program and just devoting every night to studying, even if it meant an hour or two. It took about 7 months, even with, uh, quitting my job, going the aggressive pace, um, from the beginning of the program to becoming certified, right? That's step one. Going into a volunteer project, step two, to step three, going on those interviews and preparing for those interviews. I must have interviewed over, not exaggerating, maybe over 30 to 40 different interviews. Some went to the next steps, some didn't, some went to the fourth interview, and I got a lot of not right now, maybe later. Heartbreaking. The difference for me was LinkedIn. I actually received my first offer from LinkedIn, the branding itself, the networking. I actually also received an interview just based off of my LinkedIn. The networking is invaluable. It's a must. I spoke to the hiring manager. The interview process was almost about a month, an entire month. So after a month of interviewing with five other individuals, the hiring manager just called me and said, "Hey, we want to give you a quick call. I want to touch base with you." I didn't think it was going to be an offer. I thought we were just going to further discuss the position a little bit more, or just, just ask basic questions about what I thought about the interviews. But he actually came back with an offer, and it was pretty hard to turn down, especially at an entry level. I thought that was, I was really surprised. Just rolling out of bed and just going straight to my office is the best feeling. Not feeling rushed in the morning, to run. Feeling rushed in the mornings just sucks for me. Being able to have cereal, something as simple as being able to have cereal in the morning and no one observing you or watching you. Yeah. I've really been enjoying having cereal. I'm earning about 50% more than my last salary, and I'm working from home. I made a list of everything that I wanted. The flexibility alone is was well worth it, and working with a team, of other Salesforce administrators is going to make a hell of a difference.